After two SSLC students, Ankita Basappa and Navneet, topped the exams a few days ago, Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister TK Shivakumar felicitated both the students at an event in Bengaluru for their academic excellence. Ankita Basappa has a perfect score of 625 on 625 and was awarded a cash prize of Rs 5 lakh. She was a student of Morarji Desai Residential School in Mellageri. On the other hand, Navneet, who secured third position, received a cash prize of Rs 2 lakh. He is a resident of Kannali village of Mandya. The students' academic excellence has brought attention on the government schools and teachers. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.